guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you can now pick up your clothes and walk into the scene. Look at what I'm going to be doing. Just fling this cloth the other way around. Alright, just fling it. Then after some few seconds, you can fling it back to the front now. Alright, then when you do it, you wait for a few seconds, then you release the cloth to fall. Then after that, you can now walk out and record this place, this empty background, for a few seconds. After that, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Welcome to our gallery, guys. Click on CapCut now. Click on new project. You want to import your video to workspace, okay? So at this point, locate that volume sign and click it as we silence the volume. Alright, so click it. Now you want to locate where you want the video to start from, okay? Before you walk into the scene, click here and make a split. Delete the first part, we don't need it again. Then you adjust the video to almost the end. This part we want to make, click on the video and make a split here as well. Click on this one, go and look for overlay, guys. Locate overlay. Click on overlay now. Click on overlay. Then you go and locate that background. Click it and look for freeze. Locate freeze, guys. Freeze it now. Then you click it and drag it to cover the overlaid video. Then after that, you want to come back. Then look at what we are going to be doing. Locate that place where you want to throw this your clothes down. That is where we are looking for. Before you release this clothes, we are going to hand this place. Click it now and make a split. All right, then you adjust the video. Before your hand comes down this place, click on it and make a split. Delete this last part, we don't need it again. So at this point, guys, tell us your opinion about this video. What do you make up of this video? Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? So guys, if you look now, as I welcome you back to the tutorial, if you look now, you will see that this timeline is too short. So you will use your two thumbs now to extend it. Look at what I am doing. Use your two thumbs to extend it so that we will see space to add our keyframe and do our necessary adjustment. After extending it now, then you come back. At this point, you are going to be clicking it to add your keyframe. So add your keyframe now. Then at this point, you go and look for mask. Locate mask, guys. Locate mask. Click on mask now. All right. Click on horizontal. Then you locate invert. Look at invert down here. Click on invert. Then you drag this line up. All right, and place it above these clothes and your hands. All right. So the next thing now, as you place this line here, is to start adjusting the video. Look at what I am going to be doing. You adjust the video a little bit, then you drag this line down. Follow what I am doing so that you will not make mistake. As you adjust the video again, follow what I am doing. Drag the line down. Make sure it's on top of the clothes. All right. Then this is what you are going to do. Do it gradually so that it will look good, so that you will not make mistake. As you drag the video, you drag your line down. So keep doing that. As you are adjusting the video and dragging the line down, you will see that the key will be adding automatically. Don't bother about the key. Your own is to be adjusting and dragging the line down. Look at what I am doing. Do it gradually, okay? Follow what I am doing so that you will not make mistake. Adjust it once more. Adjust it once again. So adjust it now. Then you drag it out completely. Adjust it. Then drag the line out completely. Drag it. After that now, you click on this good here. Mark on this good to go back. Then use your hand to reduce this timeline again like we did at the first. Reduce the timeline. Bring it back to the normal, the original video as it was before. After doing that now, we are going to be playing it to see what we have got. So allow the video to play. Let us see what we have got. All right. So you are watching it now. If there is any amendment, you can do your necessary amendment or adjustment. But as far as I'm concerned, the video is ready. Don't forget to add your sound effects and every other effect. Then after that, you export your video. If you don't know how to do that, you tell me, I will put you through. So at this point, we are going to mark out the unwanted part. So you click here now and make a split. Then you delete this last part as we don't need it again. So at this point, this video is ready. Just add your sound effects and every other effect. Then you export your video. If you don't know how to do it, DM me, I'll put you through, as my number is at the description of this video. So at this point now, you click on export. Then you export this video to your gallery. As you can see, it's exporting. Now this video I've installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, go ahead and tell us your opinion about this video. If you have any question to ask, go to comment section and drop it. All right. If you have any magic effect or tricks you want us to create together, drop all that at the comment section. If you love this video and you love what we are doing, go and smash your like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done so. All right, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, see you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.